Alright, so I'm going to show you the hat designing tutorial as well. This is very similar to the jersey. So you're going to open that link and you're going to choose the style of hat that you want. So let's just pick purple and yellow for fun. And then you're going to click on customize. Alright, so the same thing, you can grab the hat, you can drag it around, take a look at every side of it, get an idea of what it's going to look like. Your orders all include the regular flat embroidery. 3D embroidery is a little bit extra. So you can actually start with a team name if you want to. So if you want to do the Panthers, just type Panthers in there. Same thing with this, you can kind of grab it and drag it around. If you get out of the place where they can actually stitch, it disappears. So you have to make sure that you put it within the correct area, as you can see there, for actual printing. You can make it larger, you can make it smaller, but it's just got to fit within that printing area, otherwise it'll disappear. Okay. If you wanted to add things, additional things here, like you want to put kids' names and numbers on the back, that's an extra cost, and it will actually also prevent your order from coming in on time, most likely. So it's my suggestion that you don't do that for regular season stuff. If you have some orders, outside of that, then we can absolutely add that on. It's just going to take a little bit of extra time to sort through. Okay. If you decide you don't want to do name, you just want to do a logo, you just go up to the top and choose logo. And again, we have lots and lots of stock images that are already ready for you to go. All you got to do is go in, change the colors, and if you want to change positions or whatever, you can do that as well. Or you can do the same thing we talked about previously, where you can upload your own image. Just have to make sure it's vector, and it's the exact same process. Okay? So once your hat is designed, you're going to go over to save. And here's where it's going to ask you to register if you're not logged in. So if you're already logged in and have a login, go ahead and log in here. Otherwise, you're going to go to register, and you're just going to set up a very simple account. First, last name, email address, password. Okay, so for us, I'm going to log in with my little test account. BYBSA, baseball, 14U, Bulldogs, Johnson. Save it. Okay. So once your design's been saved, you're going to click on the share button. You're going to copy that link. You're going to go to your form, and you're going to go into your hat design link, and you're going to paste it right in there. Okay, then you're going to go back, and you're going to go to the next part here, which is the checkout and roster. Save it. And in the team name, we're going to do the same thing, BYBSA. I'm just going to copy this one. Okay, and remember that at the end of this, we're putting roster. And here, because we're not printing names and numbers on this piece, you don't need to type in the player's name and number. Instead, we're just going to put the size. So they're either a small or they're a large. I know it says medium to extra large, but really all it is the small is youth and the medium extra large is adult. Super simple there. So if you've got 10 kids and they all need a youth size, then you can go in and just put 10. And then you've got 4 coaches that need adult. And there you go. And then if you're going to add additional ones for parents and or fans, you do that roster. And then remember at the end here, instead of roster, we call this one parents. Same thing. You put the sizes and how many you need. And there you go. Once you finish there, you're going to go to the download PDF. Save it. And then you can open it to take a look, make sure everything's correct. Logo's on, hat looks right, everything's the way I want it. Just double check the roster. Okay, I've got 10 smalls. I've got 13 total adults. That's 10 smalls for the team players, 4 adults for the coaches, and then we have the parent order here. All right, once that's all correct, then you're going to go back to your Google form, and then here in the upload box, you're going to add that file. There you go. So now I have my jersey design, I have my hat design, and if I decided not to do my roster manually here, and I want to use the template, then the template will go here, and I'll do a separate version, a separate tutorial for that.